Hey crypto fans, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to give you my realistic long-term price prediction for Civic's CVC token. Now guys, if you're new to the channel and you enjoy the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out, and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to follow me on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins and NFTs and day trading and anything crypto related on a daily basis. And guys, I'm going to continue growing more and more long term anyway, so you might as well just go ahead and give me a follow. Alright guys, so for those of you who are new to my channel, new to my price prediction videos, I'm a long-term altcoin holder. I've been holding on to many different altcoins for about 5 years now, and I continue to add more as time goes on as well. Now guys, I don't use technical analysis when I try to find long-term price predictions because technical analysis really isn't going to tell me where the price is going to go, 3, 5, 7 years from now. It's great for short-term type stuff or swing trading type stuff or day trading, whatever. But long term, I mean, you can tell overall, obviously up or down, but you really can't tell, you really can't give an actual number or an actual overall number of where you think it could potentially go long term. So I don't use technical analysis for that. In addition, guys, when I'm talking long term here, as for holding these coins long term, I'm not talking 6 to 12 months. Okay, that's not a long term hold. 6 to 12 months is not holding long term. Okay, I'm talking 3 years minimum, maybe 5 years, maybe 7 years, however long it takes to reach the goal. Okay. So guys, we're going to be looking into Civic today, or CVC, and see what's going on. So guys, as we can tell, Civic, as we can see here, Crypto Bubbles has their old logo, obviously. It was green before, now it is blue. But anyway, guys, currently Civic is currently ranked number 259 on CoinMarketCap and currently trading for 29 cents, which is pretty low compared to its all-time high at one point in time, which was like 4 years ago. We'll look at that in a minute. Overall, you guys, right now, it's got a market cap of $200 million, which is very low, very low, especially for a project like Civic, and a circulating supply of 670 million out of its total supply of 1 billion tokens, okay? Now, guys, we are going to check and see real quick what the market cap was. I usually base my long-term price predictions based off of potential market cap levels. So, as we can see, guys, the last all-time high was 4 years ago at $1.66. So clearly, if we take that 1.66 times, let's see here. So overall, guys, I think potentially long term, 5, maybe 7 years, however long it takes. I think long term. I think Civic, as more and more money flows into the crypto market, more money is going to flow into all these good coins as well. Civic is a good coin. It's been around for a very long time. It's going to do good in the long term, you guys. Overall, I think it can easily reach a market cap level of $2 billion at some point in time in the future. No problem whatsoever. So let's see what the market cap was back then when it hit its all-time high. Now, back then, the circulating supply probably wasn't 670 million. I don't know what the circulating supply was back then, but just for shits and giggles here, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and use this number because it's easy to use. So this is probably going to be a little inaccurate, but anyway, we're going to take $1.66, which was its all-time high. We're going to go ahead and multiply that by 670 million tokens. Okay, so we got 670 million. So it probably had a market cap of right around, $1.1 billion at one point in time. Maybe a little bit lower than that because, obviously the circulating supply wasn't that number back then. So overall, you guys, long term, I think Civic can easily get to a $2 billion market cap. So we're going to see where the price would potentially be if it hit a market cap level of $200 billion. Sorry, not 200 billion. That'd be a lot. $2 billion. Okay. So guys, obviously the circulating supply is probably going to be a little bit higher as well. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and use, for my math today, I'm going to go ahead and use a number of 700 million instead of 670 million, okay? So we're going to take 700 million and we are going to multiply that by, let's see here, we'll go ahead and multiply it by $2 first and see what happens. So $2, it's going to give us a market cap of roughly $1.4 billion. So clearly I think it can go a lot higher than that. So again, we'll take 700 million and we'll multiply by $2.25. We got 1.575 million. Okay, so obviously more than that. So we'll take 700 million again, 700 million, and we'll go ahead and multiply by $2.50. This time we've got 1.75 million. Okay, so clearly, guys, you can see where this is going to go. Okay, so clearly, I'm going to bet here that it's going to go up to $2.75. But we'll see what happens here. So we'll take 700 million and we will multiply it by $2.75. All right. And we've got the market cap level of 1.925. Okay. Maybe a little bit higher. I was wrong there. So we'll go 280. We'll go $2.80. That'll probably be close enough. So we'll take 700 million again and divide it or multiply by $2.80. 1.960 million or billion dollars, you guys. So that is going to be my price prediction. My long-term price prediction for Civic or CVC is going to be $2.80 long-term. Okay. Now it could go higher. It could go much higher long-term. But this is just me being conservative and me thinking that, okay, you know, this is how I usually look into finding out which coins I'm going to invest in for the long term is by doing this. If I feel like it's got a good potential or a good return on my investment, 5 or 10 years down the road from now, in comparison to where the current price is at right now, then yeah, it's going to look good to me. So $2.80 compared to where it's at right now, $3.30, that's going to be a potential huge return on your investment. So we're going to see where, you know, what you could potentially make if you put in $10,000 or something like that. Okay. So guys, this is going to be huge. We're going to take $10,000. Let's say you had $10,000 right now. You divide that by 29 cents. Okay. You're going to come out with 34,482 tokens. Okay. So 34,482. And then we're going to go ahead and multiply this by $2.80, you guys. Okay. So think about this, you guys. All right. Let's say you held on to this for, let's say you held on to this coin for, let's say it took 5 years to reach, you know, that $2 billion market cap level, and it reached this high. Okay. You pretty much just took $10,000 and turned it into $96,000 in like 5 years. And you might be thinking, okay, that's really not that much in comparison to what other people make. But think about it, you guys. This is just one investment out of many other coins that you're going to be investing in during the same time as well. And, you know, that just goes to show that you can make some pretty darn good returns on your investments. And in addition, you guys, this is a long-term play. Okay, there's realistically no long-term risk to this other than just holding on to it. Okay, you're not taking on the risk of day trading. You're not taking on the risk of having to pay, you know, ridiculous amounts of taxes on it all the time because you're constantly trading it. You're literally just buying and holding long-term and waiting until it goes up. So realistically, for the sake of how much risk is involved, a good $86,000 return on your investment is very, very darn good for holding on to something for 5 years, you guys. It really is. You know, again, guys, for the sake of this video, my long-term price prediction for Civic's CVC token is going to be $2.80. All right. So guys, that pretty much does it for this video, though. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, don't forget to follow me on Twitter here with the link in the video description down below. And also, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.